Coir fibre is the outer husk of a coconut. It was traditionally a waste product used in Asia for spinning, for yarns and for fuel. We use it in the UK for soil bioengineering products and materials. It's a very, very long-lasting, hard fibre, but also very sustainable. Coir is really important to Salix. We've got a 20-year track record and history of working with communities in the southwest of Sri Lanka, where we support them in terms of education and in terms of buying product from them and investing in their communities. They then reward us with a fantastic product that's sustainably sourced, organically sourced, and then we manufacture the Coir fibre products into products here in the UK. In one container of made product from Asia, you would get about 800 linear metres of Coir rolls. But using our compressed bale fibre, we can get 4,000 metres of Coir rolls in the same shipping container.